Already started. Okay. So the designer started. So now, what are we trying to do now is, do we see all this thing, all this design from start to finish? We are trying to we'll try and fix it inside a mobile app. You understand? So now, sorry, inside a mobile screen. So now, which let's as we know, we come to our frame, we select any type of phone that we want. So let's use maybe iPhone. Let's use iPhone 13 Pro. No, let's use iPhone 13 Pro. Now, so we are fitting in all these guys inside this small guy. So that's it for now. Sorry, 1 minute. So we'll have a very very long screen. So okay. So now let's get started. 1 minute. So now the first thing is, let's set our prototype for mobile screen. iPhone 13. iPhone 13 Pro Max, right? Is it Pro Max? Okay, iPhone 13 Pro. Let's set our preview to iPhone 13 Pro. The background should be like this. Then we have a preview so that we can be able to compare what we are designing. Sorry. So that we're able to compare what we are designing to what we have on the screen. So now, look at this. Do we see all these guys? All these things? We are trying to fit them into this. So normally you might think maybe we can just drag and drop it inside here. That might not work. See, this it took all the space to itself. So now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to work with the logo. Let's ungroup everything that we have here. So let's bring in the logo and reduce it. Okay, sorry, we need to create a guide so that our design will not be flying up and down. So we know how to do this already. Let's use 5 and let's give it a gray color. Let's give it a gray color and give it a padding of maybe 20. Yeah, 20 should be good for now. So just choose anything as your own discretion. So now let's move this guy in. Let's reduce the size. Okay, let's see. So we have to come down a bit. Okay. So do you see all these save, invest, blah blah blah? How do you think we can do that here? Don't go to Piggyvest website. Just tell me something from like offline. How do you think we
I think
can?
we can. I think
Sorry.
we can put it beneath the logo.
Okay.
Or there should be a menu.
We have a collapsible menu.
Thank
Menu.
you. Thank you. That should work. A menu will work for us. We can't if we put it beneath the logo. Um, Someone that said that if we put it beneath the logo, it will make the screen be too busy. You understand? So it's best we just create a menu that we can pop in all these guys in. You understand? So, but that one's a story for another day. So let's find a menu icon. So if you need icon, I created what was it called? A list of icon pack. Like in the icon pack, you have like 15 different icons, 15 different icons, like icon pack, material design icon, Google icon, which is for Google, Microsoft icon, Fed icon, um, um, Remis icon, every other icon that you might think of. It's inside. So I will share the link with you guys so that you can easily have access to it. Like all the icon in that file is around 27,000 icons. So you can easily pick from them. After the class, I will share the link with you guys. You can go there and duplicate it and use it for anything you want to do. So so now we are using this guy. Let's pop it in here. Let's make this 32 by 32. So let's align them together. So it should be aligned. Yeah. Sorry. So let's see. So here, instead of us having all these save, invest, stuff like that on this screen, it's better we just keep them inside this particular let's just keep them inside the menu that we created. So let me duplicate this. Sorry, hold on. So now the next thing is a better way to save and invest. So let's move this in. Now we are going to reduce the size. Now, if you are designing for that's too small. If you are designing for mobile, you understand. You also have a style guide for mobile. You also have for web. Don't forget that. It's very, very important. You have for web, you have for mobile. The way you did for your web, that you have numbers like big, small, and stuff like that. You also have your own. You also have for your mobile. Also, you get. So let's just keep this. Let's make this like 40. Yeah, let's say. So you can easily. It's better we just centralize this. Then let's reduce this guy. Let's give it a center alignment. I don't know if you are getting this. Regular.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Um, for customers, I want these things to be on 3 lines. Also, financial with them. Okay, so let's see what's up now. Font is different, so we need to work with what we have. Regular. We need this to be in 3 lines. Let me check something. I see. Okay, so let's move this guy in and see what we got. So, and what next again? We have these two guys. We are still going to do the alignment for this anyway. Um, do you have? We are still going to collect the spacing, but for now, let's just continue with what we have. So, if you can check the website on your phone, let's see if we have any mistake that we have. But I think we're still good for now. So the next thing is we are moving this guy inside here.
Quick question: are we planning to have it as they have it on the application?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
on the phone.
Yeah.
Then they aligned. Actually, they put get on Android below get on iPhone.
It's there.
But it's on my phone.
This it. Is it on your phone?
No, vertically actually. I mean, both are also aligned below create
No.
free account.
Which phone are you using?
Okay, maybe that's why I haven't Olephone has a very big screen, but yeah, but
Oh,
maybe
okay.
it's just different. Okay.
I
Is
use
it a tab?
No, no, no. It's a phone.
it's a phone.
All
Oh,
right.
I don't know if
Okay.
sorry.
Then it's fine. Just asking.
No, no, no. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay,
And I
for
see the top Android users again.
so okay, okay,
So our own is vertically placed up at on top of each other
okay. Android, right?
by the grace of God.
Okay,
Yes, yes, Android.
okay. I use I beg now. So I use iPhone. This is how it is on my phone. So I don't know how it looks. Do
And I use Samsung. Thank you.
okay. Samsung user. How's it looking on you guys' phone?
It's just vertically stacked. Samsung, they're all Android users. Should be different.
Okay, okay.
It's Android now.
Do we have any iPhone user? Let me just compare. Maybe I'm the one saying something different.
No,
Yeah.
sir, I'm using an iPhone now. You're correct.
Okay, so
I feel
I,
like that's the genuine way should be. What do
no.
you mean? Get out of this class.
So let's just keep it this way. You understand? So
Yes.
probably you might have your own like this stacking on each other. You understand? But for I use iPhone, so this is the way it's showing on my phone. You get so. But if you are sorry, if you are if you use Android, it might be like this. Let me check 1 minute. It's like this on your phone, right? Is it like this?
Yes. Yes.
Affirmative, yes, confirm.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm saying so for the sake of what I'm saying because I'm following what they did. You understand, so that we can be on track. So let's just stick with this for now. If you
Yeah.
are if
Sounds
you are
good.
doing your assignment, make sure you do it the way it is on your phone. You understand? It's for you. What you see is what you design. What I see is what I'm designing. You understand? So let's continue with what we have. So now we have this. So let's move this guy in and let's adjust it a little bit. Um, so we are grouping this guy. We're moving this down. Let's reduce this a bit. Let's give this guy like this. So one, two, this and this. The spacing should be let's try 30. Let's group this. So we're trying to 24. So next thing is security or priority. So how many minutes do we have left? So this
In 40 minutes, it will be
uh,
1 hour and a half since
okay,
the beginning.
okay. So let's move this down. So I don't know if you noticed like what they did on design is center alignment. Or true. Is anybody saying something? Okay. So now we have this. Then the next thing we have this. So let's give it equal spacing 24. So let's give this 30. So let's see what we have. So this is where we are. Are we on track? I think so. So what's the next section? The next section is this. So now we are going to make these guys center alignment also. Let's bring them in. Okay, so You have this. Then you have this. So then what's next? We have all these other guys. They are aligned straight. They are stuck on each other. Though they move them to center. So are you following, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you notice, they move everything to the center. So let's do the same thing. What is this guy? So
Sorry to interrupt, on the website, the flexible savings is the last one.
sorry.
On the website, flexible savings is the last one, like the
Okay.
first one.
It's flexible savings.
Yeah, this one with the thing
This
on
one.
for.
Okay, this is the
No,
last
the
one,
third
right?
one. No,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
third one. Just
Flex.
under.
So,
Flexible savings is the last one under, like the
so your
first
voice
one.
is cracking. I can't hear you.
Flexible savings is the last one under, like the
I think
first
she's
one.
talking about the order of the
Oh,
different the portfolio.
actually, it's the second. Okay, flexible or fixed. Let me see. Hold on.
Fixed is the second.
Okay, no problem.
Normal.
It can come in any way. We are just trying to arrange stuff here. You understand? So no stress with that. But we'll follow it according to what they did. No problem. So just try and follow what they did the way it was, because what are you trying to do? We are just trying to clone the design. You understand? So don't go and clone someone design website and they call you Tifo. So let's move this guy in. Let's see if it will work. Yeah, it did. It does. Without any stress. Yeah. Okay. So what next again?
The phone picture.
Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on. I'm trying to give it equal spacing. Let's give it 30 and centralize it. So the next thing is let's see what we have. Yeah, we're on track. What next? What else again? Yeah, this section, right? Okay,
The
no,
phone picture.
this. Yeah. So now let me tell you something. Thank God I can see this here. In design on web, you might see different paparazzi, different shapes. But when it comes to mobile, you are permitted to exclude some things. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. You are permitted to exclude something. Now let me show you what I mean. Look at this section on the web. You know they have all these three buttons and stuff like that. You get, but on the that's on the web. But if you check it on your phone, it's not there. I don't know if if that's what I'm saying, but on my phone, it's not there.
True.
You understand? So that's it. You are permitted to exclude some things that you feel it's not needed. And also, if you check, let me show you this website. I don't know if it's still like that. Printivo. Printivo. I don't know if it's correct. So .com. Let's see. So try and check Printivo on your own phone. Let's see if we have the same thing. Printivo.com. Can you see that this hand disappeared? Or do you have same thing?
Yeah, it's the same here.
Do you see that?
It disappeared.
Yeah,
No,
it
it
is.
disappeared
Yeah,
also. I mean,
it's not there.
Do you see that it's not
it
there?
disappeared like
So you are permitted to exclude some things on mobile. You understand? No stress. So that's just by the way. So let's continue with what we are doing. So coming back to Piggy Vest. So now the next section is this. So as it was done, wait, what? Uh this guy is giving us work to do today. Why do you lock this guy in? I'm coming. Okay, no problem. So we are bringing this guy here. You have to make this longer. So you're still going to do the section of this, but let's just continue with what we have. So what do you have? You have the circle behind it. They have the circle behind it. There it goes this back. Bam. Send to the back. So let's see the color. That's too much. Yeah, this is good. So let's group in. So what does again? 50%. Sorry, not 15. This is not good. Then we move this guy in. So we have this center. So let's reduce the front of this. What do we have? Opportunity.
Sorry, please.
Okay.
I want to ask, how do you know the dimensions and the spacing between the different functions?
Okay. Now for spacing, right? You have most times you best way for you to go is multiple of 8, 8, 16, 30, what was that? 32, 64, up like that. You understand? But sometimes you might have to use your design discretion to determine some things. You understand? So and make sure the spacing you use you are consistent across board. Don't use 24 somewhere and use 60 and you use 22 somewhere. No, you have to be consistent with your this thing. But most times to the spacing should be multiple of 8, 8, 16, 32, you understand, something like that. So sometimes you may have to break that rule and just go with the discretion of what you know might be enough for what you are doing. But if you are doing that, you need to be consistent with it across board. So are you good?
Yeah, because the way you are fixing in this the frames, the way you are fixing it, like, it's perfect for you to just do
Yeah,
rest
with time you will understand it really. With time. Like yeah, with time you understand it. So
Okay.
yeah. So I will still adjust all those spacing anyway. So when we want to do that, but I don't know. Well, let's just continue. I will talk about that later. Okay, we'll talk about spacing and alignment.
Okay.
We'll talk about spacing and alignment later. So we have 3. So let's move this to the center. The inline more should be here.
Excuse me.
Okay.
I think you talked about last class.
What?
This automatic alignment of mouse.
Auto layout. What's that?
100 users. Huh? All these 100 users.
Okay, so
Yeah, sorry, it was my small bro.
okay. So the next thing is this guy. So I don't know if you can see it's a little bit easier than starting from scratch. You understand? Because it's what you have designed before. You are just trying to move it to mobile, just do the alignment, reduce the font. That's all. That's all you need to do. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
There's one question I've always wanted to ask you, but I
Okay.
don't know if it's so relevant.
Okay.
Now, when we enter some website here, or maybe on the mobile app,
Uh-huh.
then there are spaces there that some ads pop up. I want to ask, is those spaces are they assigned by the UI UX designers for adverts, or they just pop up?
Yeah. We can do that one. Is easy now. Don't worry. Maybe if we have time after the class, I'll show you how to do that.
Okay, but UI UX designer must have left that space.
Yes. They will know. They will have designed. They will have designed all those screens. Everything you see, pop up
Yes, sir.
and sliding back. Everything I've designed already. It's just to
Okay,
give.
sir.
It's just to give functionality to it to work. That's all. Everything that you see
Thank you, sir.
that is visual on any app or any website that's been designed by a designer. You understand?
Thanks.
Yeah. So what else again? Um. Juliaco. So now we are moving to this. Let's see what we've been doing so far. Are we on track? Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah. So then the next thing is oh, okay, 16. So then the next thing is we are centralizing this guy. And, So if so if to say you have your style guide, I won't be doing all these manual adjustments. It's just click, change the font with style guide. That's all. Instead of us doing all these guesswork on the instead of doing guesswork on the font side. So before you do this, you have to do your style guide. That's, so what else again? Yeah, the testimonial. Mm, for this guy even put um this guy go service T for exam. So we are trying to manage this inside, but this might not work for now. Let's just move it like this. No, let's do it like this. It should look like what they designed for us. Let's see what we have. Okay, are we good? Yeah, I think we are.
Yes, sir.
So, what else again?
As
Features.
Richard and
Yeah, so I want to try and increase the spacing. So, uh,
even in the website is not aligning.
yeah, I think they did center alignment. That's why they did center alignment. So we have this. Sorry, how many minutes to go?
30 minutes to half past
30 minutes, sir.
nine.
We
Okay,
spent an hour.
okay. I just want us to finish this thing. We're almost done. So you just need to arrange these guys one after the other. This and this comes in to the left alignment. Okay. Next thing, this they come in here and what? Then the last one. So last one will come like this. Then we have these guys. Let's send them like this. No, let's go these guys. And let's send them outside like this. So we have this to be longer. And then we have this. So yeah. So now let's see. Are we on track?
Yeah, looks good.
Okay. So now I want to start putting it together section by section. And go from beginning. Um,
I think you should just unmute and speak. Oh, if you continue to raise our hands, you won't see your hands.
sorry, is someone raising hand?
Yes, I think so.
Yes.
Just trying to
Christiana.
remind you, don't forget the menu.
Sorry?
Don't forget the menu. You have to save, invest, and the menu part.
Okay, don't worry, we'll get there. No problem.
Can you please show us how you are arranging?
And so what's it?
Or tell us how you are arranging and
Yeah,
putting
I'm
them.
not. We are doing it together. You know what? When we might not be right and we might not be perfect because we don't know what their design system looks like. Because in their design system, they might have spacing that they are following. You understand? So we are just doing this overboard. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So
Yeah.
even your design system, you
Just
will
have
have.
to replicate.
Sorry.
So I just replicating
Yeah,
it.
we are just replicating. But if you have a design system, we'll be able to follow every step of their spacing and everything that they do. You get. So we are just trying to replicate here. So that's just what we are
Please, I
doing.
want to ask, what does that, when you clicked on the frame, the
Uh-huh.
better way to say it, there are these pink dots.
Hmm?
What does it? There are these pink dots that comes up, that pops up. Yeah, all those pink
Mm-hmm.
the symbol. What do they mean?
Pink symbol. Do you mean all these things? These guys?
No, no,
No,
no,
those
no.
tiny, tiny plate
Like
at the
when
middle,
you
at the neck.
Neck.
not at the
Like when you
neck.
Okay,
select when
okay,
you
you mean
select
this?
thank you.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
Contact create a free account.
okay. Eh?
When you click on a frame, it they pop up.
Okay, like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
This is just it's just showing you like, okay, let me explain. I've said this before. Look at this. Look at these two guys. When I align them together, can you see it?
Yes.
You understand? Now, if let me change the color of one of it. Now, if I group it, it will still be the same thing. It will be there. Do you see it? So now I
Okay.
can. This thing shows that there are two content here. You understand? If it's three, let me control D. Look at this. You know, this is separate, right? This is
Yes.
separate. If I group this together, it will show it's putting these two and this together. Can you see? Can you see it here? You understand?
Okay.
Now,
Is
what
it
what?
trying to show alignment?
Yeah, it's for this thing to show. That means they are aligned.
Aligned.
One, if it
Okay.
is not aligned, it won't show. That is
Okay.
normal. Now, hold
Thank
on.
you.
No, no, that's not the what. That's not what it does. Oh. Just hold on.
Okay.
Now, look at this. If your design, if your item, if it's just two items, you will definitely see it automatically. You understand because it
Yeah.
tells you they have just one spacing. If it's if it's let me select three items. One, two. Let me take this out. Look at this. It won't show. Do you know why? Because their spacing is different. Do you see?
Okay.
This is wider than this, right? So now,
Yes.
if I align it together, can you see now? You can.
Okay.
It's out.
Yes.
Now, let me now tell you what that does. I've said it once, but I don't know if you remember. Do you see this thing? Do you see it's showing, right? You can easily
Yes.
move in between. From you can just click in between. Can you see?
Okay.
If you have multiple of these, you can, and they have the same alignment. You can easily
Okay.
switch between them to one place to another. 1 minute.
Hello?
Please mute yourself. Oh. So look at this.
Yeah.
They have the same alignment. And see, look at the spacing between them. Can you see it's 95?
Nice five.
95. So you can easily drag and align them together at once again. Can you see?
Okay.
Yeah.
So have the same
Yeah.
spacing.
So you can easily move in between. Can you see? They will give way to each other. Can you see? That's what that
Okay.
does. So no big deal there.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So the next thing is this segment has been done. This has been done. These and these are the same section. So let's put them together. Let's say what did I give these guys?
Good night.
No, no, Siri. So So we put them all in section now. So we want to give them equal spacing. So let's say 100 if they work for us. So now try and check. Yeah, I think we're good. This is how to create the mobile version of your web. So that's all. So now one last thing. So how many minutes do you have left?
18
We have
16.
18 minutes.
Sorry?
We have 18
18
minutes.
minutes.
18 minutes, okay. No, so do you know if you just check your phone, if you click that, do you notice that when you click the piggy vest stays at the top? When you scroll up, I don't know if you noticed that the piggy vest and the menu is not moving. Did anybody notice that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me show you how it was done. Let's create a frame for it. Let's put them in. Hold on. So let's move it in. No, don't stick to the top. Where are you? Take the center. No. So now sorry. Are you saying something?
No, as in the Skywalker, the name sound familiar.
Oh, okay. So what's the next thing is when you scroll up, they have a shadow under. We know how to use shadow, right? If you don't know, you might. I'm sorry, you might have to learn that on your own. Sorry. So let's see. Okay, let's add more shadow. Let's add like let's like let's see. Okay, thank you. So now look at this. Can we see it's still moving, right? In which in Piggyverse design it's just there stable. Do you notice that?
Yes, sir.
But this is still moving. How do we do that?
Yes, sir.
So this guy, just click. Look at this. What's this? Fixed position. When what?
Fixed position.
When scrolling. Just click. When you click, can you see? Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's all about that. So anything you give fixed position, it won't scroll.
Okay.
So let's say this guy. This guy. Let's give it fixed position. Where is it? No, it has been grouped. Let's give this guy fixed position. See, it's on. No, this will not. This will not give justice to it. It won't show. So anything you give fixed position, it won't scroll. It will never scroll. It will be there. You understand? Where you lock it down to is where it will be. Can you see? It's there. So when we undo that, it will start scrolling. Can you see? Sorry, that person with background noise should mute he or himself. So so that's it about that. Then let's just quickly yeah.
The icon.
The sales invest.
Yeah, the menu.
So
The,
we have to insert it into the menu icon.
Sorry.
The
The
menu
save
icon,
Mm-hmm.
we have not
those things that are
started.
supposed to be inside it.
And we'll do it. That's what I'm doing next. So how many minutes? How many minutes do we have?
We have
13.
13.
13.
13.
Okay, let's be fast. Hold on. So I created another frame for that. So let's just pop them in.
Mhm. Okay.
So um oh man. We have to increase the font a bit. No, that's too much. So let's group this. So we need this guy. So why is it different? Oh, sorry, this is Pro Max. No, I'm just wondering what's going on. iPhone 13 Pro only, not Pro Max. So let's copy them. Okay. So what else again? We have sign in and create an account, right?
Yes, sir.
So um, I don't know if I don't know if we are saying the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Menu icon is
Sorry. Yeah. I'll get there. I'll get there. Don't worry.
together.
I'll get there. Don't worry. So we have sign in. So this is black and this is white with a stroke of sorry stroke of this. Yeah. So the um okay. Now this X might not work. Let's get another one remix icon. So um you need to okay, it's there. So now, do we know what next? We want to connect the screen. I don't know if you remember what we did about
Prototype.
prototyping. When you click this, we are connecting. When you click this place, it will take you here. When you click here, it take here. So what do we do? Check your mobile app. Oh, sorry. Check your mobile app. Sorry, check your phone rather. When you click the menu, it will pop. It will pop in this menu that we have
The
here.
other friend.
Yes. So they design it separately, so
Yes, sir.
that's why they can be able to connect it. So you come to prototype. What do you want to connect? You want to connect this guy, this. So before you get there, you might have to click multiple times, moving from here to where to here, right? So that is it about that. And when you click X, what will happen? It will close it. Yeah, no interaction there. So that's it. Let's see if it works. Do you see? Are we good?
Sorry, did you also connect the
Yes. Are you following? This is it now. See, this is X.
you connected it back?
Yes, you connected it back to where you want it to go back to. Where are we? Look at it properly. This is going where? It's coming to this screen. Check your
Yeah.
phone. Click the same thing. When you click menu, it's come here, right? And when you click the X mean cancel. I don't want to see this menu. Go back to where we are coming from. Then it's
Okay.
cancel. It's connected back. See,
Okay.
it's connected back. So that's it. And you might also put some style to it if you want to, but that one is another story for another day. See, look at this. It's possible you might want it to to. I don't know if you use some mobile app, you see some pop up that will come from below. Let's try that. It will slide in from under. So let's see. 1 minute. Give me a moment. Okay. So let's on tap. You may have to study this interaction yourself because I don't think we have a lot of time to do that. So go to where instant yes. Where do we do that again? Yeah, let's say no open overlay. Yeah, open overlay. Centered manual manual. You have to study this yourself. Instant moving from where from under. Yeah. So let's see. Do you see that? That is interaction on this one. It's posting.
Okay.
Yeah. So it has a lot of functionality. Click outside the box, it will do this different things. So, but what we have here is uh just from one page to another, no interaction. No, come on. Where is it? Distance. Yeah, I think this should work now. So this is what we have. So so I think that's all for today. Let me stop the recording before we ask questions. Hold on, let me stop it.